So live your life. You steady chasing that big bar, just live your life.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some vegan ribs. I made them, actually that was one of my first videos that I made when I became vegan. One or maybe the first or second video, whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna redo it today, and I'm gonna put the link in the description down below. I'm not gonna show the whole video of me making it all over again because I already made it before. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video, you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get into this video, you guys. All right, you guys, we have some vegan ribs, some shrimp, and we have some asparagus and some garlic roasted potatoes, y'all. Let's go ahead and see what these joints taste like, you guys. These are the roasted potatoes. Yes, they are delicious, y'all. Now we're gonna try these asparagus, which was bomb. I put some fresh garlic on there, some salt, pepper, and butter, and put those things in the oven. And I tell you, oh my God. Now we're getting ready to try these vegan ribs, you guys. This is my second time making these. You see that? See how that looks? When I tell you the flavor was all through those ribs, oh my God. And the vegan shrimp, you guys, listen. The texture is not always what it is, because the vegan shrimp, it's kind of like a rubbery texture, but it's still good, you guys. The best way to cook these is fried, for me. But when I tell you, these were bomb too. And I got my little salad on the side. But yeah, y'all, when I tell you this food was slamming, oh my God. Alright, you guys, we have the asparagus and the red potatoes ready to go in the oven. We have the shrimp on. Alright, you guys, everything is now ready. We're gonna go ahead and get things on a plate, and I will see you in a minute.
Alright,
You guys, there you have it. Vegan ribs, red roasted potatoes, asparagus, vegan shrimp, and I have a side salad. Ooh,